Gorgeous holographic gel polish set. 3 PCS * 7.5 megaliters. Beautiful shades of fashion colors. Different effect depending on the light, angle and base coat. Attractive and different effects will surprise you. Easy to apply. Highly pigment. High gloss and sparkle glitter shine pigment. Give glossy and long-lasting nail art color. The holographic nail polish is easy to apply and low odor compared to other brands. Nail dryer required. RARJSM gel polish need to be cured under UV LED lamp. It can't dry by air. We highly recommend 60 seconds curved with LED lamp. Healthy ingredients safe for skin. Our gel polish is made of natural resin, non-toxic formula. They are low smell, rich color, middle consistency, self-evenly, no shrink and edge. Warm tips. Avoid the gel nail polish contact with eyes, mouth and skin. If this phenomenon occurs, wash immediately with water. If feel unwell, contact the doctor immediately. Please also keep out of the reach of children. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. Love, love, love. They are so beyond pretty. Was hesitant after reading some reviews, but they are 100% worth it. The polish is very smooth and you don't have to warm up like other gel polishes.